Ninth one, write a Python program to create a function that takes one argument and the argument will be multiplied with an unknown given number. Okay, so the function takes one argument and the argument will be multiplied by unknown given number. Okay, and another number you have to print, and that number I have to multiply with the argument of the function. Simple, we have to use the lambda function here. Lambda syntax argument colon expression, you have to remember that one. First define function here, define any function name and pass an parameter here, and use the lambda function. Y is equal to whatever lambda argument can be anything, x colon x into n. Okay, x into n, simple, multiply by unknown number with an argument of the function, and return y. You have to return the value, return y here. Okay, return y and come out of the function, and take any variable and call the function and pass the argument here, whatever argument 5 you pass here. Okay, and print with unknown variables here, print the number with unknown variables, print result of 10. Okay, these are any number, and print result of 20. Just execute it here. See, 50, 100 here. Okay, result of 10 pass actually function 5 pass an argument to this n variable here, parameter of the function. So n assigned to the 5 here, and after that printing result of this 10 pass this is unknown. Okay, x value. Okay, this x variable, like x argument here, parameter x in colon expression. Okay, y is equal lambda x colon expression. 10 is passed to this x, and n is passed to, and 5 is passed to this n argument here. Okay, lambda function argument colon expression.